What a catastrophe!
Daughter of Zion, you are welcome.
Thank you. I have a problem.
Just listen. This is your solution ground. Whatever thing that is troubling you, speak out, my daughter. I am going to solve your problem.
Pastor is my brother. My brother, he has sold all our properties. He steals my money. He's into trade. He will steal our money, sold all the properties. And when he trade, he will lose. He keeps on doing this thing, Pastor. I think it's our village people that is doing it. That's why I came here. People help me.
Is that why you are troubled?
Yes.
You see, there is a problem that you don't understand. It's a spiritual matter. What is troubling your brother is a spiritual matter from your village. That is what I saw in the realm of the spirit. But I'm going to pray for you. Come, daughter of Zion. Hey, let me tell you something. Hey, what is troubling your brother is a spiritual matter. Yes, sir. In the realm of the spirit, I saw your village people making him to lose so much money. That is what I saw. But don't worry, you have entered the solution ground. I'm going to scatter that spirit that is troubling him. And I'm going to pray for you and him. Okay? I'll pray for you. You're going to bring him now. You're going to bring your brother. Okay? Then I'm going to lay hand on him. And that spirit that is making him to lose will disappear. Because what is troubling him is a spiritual matter. I hope you're going to bring him now. Bring him now. Okay?
Yes.
So that I can cast away that spirit. Ikata. You can go and bring it now. I Jabada.
A few moments later.
That spirit that is stopping for your village, I cast it out. 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 Rasakata Yabala. Rasakata. I cast that spirit that is troubling your brother. I cast it out. That spirit that is troubling you. Leave you now. Leave you now. Pastor. Leave you now. Pastor. Masukataya. Daughter of Zion. That spirit will leave your brother now. In the name of Jesus. Can I say a bigger amen? Hey! Let me tell you something. What is doing your brother is not a spiritual matter. Yes, sir. I heard a voice now. That time I was grabbing you like this. Something told me that it's not a spiritual matter. Because the spiritual matter in him has left him. But what is troubling your brother is a physical matter. And I have a solution. I'm going to call somebody that will save him. Somebody that will change his life. Somebody that will make him a billionaire. Somebody that will make him not to lose again. Can I say amen? Can I say amen? Can I say amen? Just be shouting amen. Be saying amen. Be saying amen. Be saying amen. Yes, sir. This man has helped a lot of people in this country. Let me call him. Hello, my son in the Lord. Yeah, this is Daddy Gio. Come to my house immediately now. Come to my house. You're going to help somebody.
A few moments later.
Don't worry, my daughter of Zion. The solution will soon be here. He's my boy. I know he has helped a lot of people. As soon as he arrives now, your brother will be saved. Your brother's solution.
You again?
What a catastrophe!
You know him?
He's my student.
Oh, he's your student?
Yes, he get coconut hair. He doesn't learn. I've taught him risk management. I've taught him discipline. I've taught him about the chart as a whole. He doesn't learn. Brother Pastor, I'm not ready to teach him anymore. I'm not interested. He get coconut head. I cannot teach someone that doesn't take my lesson serious.
Let me beg you, even if you don't want to help him because of him, just help him because of this. Look at now, this is the beautiful sister. There is hunger in the land. You can imagine this kind of fine girl. Let her not go hungry. Help them. They have sold everything. Help them, please. There is poverty. There is hunger.
I have been wasting my time. No, I don't think I want to waste any more time on this. He's not ready to learn, so that is it, period. Roger Pastor, I don't want to teach him. No, I don't want, no, forget it.
You are a failure, you can never make it.
You will learn.
You can never, you cannot make it. You are a failure, you can never make it.
Do you know his problem? He over-leveraged. He wants to use small money and make big money. I told him that is not how Forex trading is.
That is pure greed.
Yes, greed. So in the next lesson, I think I will be teaching him over leveraging. I will teach him how to use leverage properly. Then you start milking it.
It is well with you, my son.
Okay.
It is well with you.
All right.
Before you go, you don't have to go like that. At least you sow a seed.
Rugged pastor, see you again.
Yeah!
Oh, God.